Welcome to Compare to Win. The best miniature figurines is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions you can make to your crafting arsenal, offering endless possibilities for bringing your creative visions to life. Whether you're a seasoned modeler looking to add intricate details to dioramas, a tabletop gamer seeking to personalize your armies, or a hobbyist simply wanting to inject a unique charm into your DIY projects, these tiny treasures are designed to spark imagination and elevate your creations to a whole new level of artistry and engagement. Number 5. Danmu 4 PCS Resin Mini Owls. Feeling overwhelmed by work? Creating a miniature fairy garden is a wonderful way to unwind and de-stress. Explore our collection for more enchanting supplies. These charming figurines come in a set of 4, each with a unique design, standing at approximately 3 centimeters tall. They are perfect for adding detail to your miniature worlds. Bring your fairy gardens to life with these incredibly detailed ornaments. They are ideal for crafting personalized magical spaces for your loved ones. These tiny animals are excellent accessories for your fairy gardens, micro-landscapes, plant pots, and bonsai crafts. Let your creativity flourish. Please keep in mind that these delightful props are quite small. They are designed to add intricate details to your miniature creations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help and will respond within 24 hours. What we like. These are incredibly tiny and come in a pack of 4 distinct styles. They are designed to look very lifelike. If you are looking for small, detailed additions to your fairy garden or micro-landscape, these are a fantastic choice. They bring great fun despite their small size. What people say. The figurines are incredibly detailed, perfect for intricate craft projects. The variety of poses and characters included in the set is impressive, offering great creative options. These miniatures are made of a durable resin that holds paint exceptionally well, making them ideal for customization. Number 4. Dracarys Fairy Garden Accessories Kit. Discover a world of creativity with this delightful set. Perfect for crafting enchanting miniature fairy gardens, it offers endless fun for everyone. These charming pieces are bursting with color and whimsy, inspiring imaginative scenes that go beyond ordinary decorations. Let your creativity bloom. Crafted from durable, waterproof resin, these decorations are made to withstand the elements. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor displays, ensuring lasting beauty. Designed for ease of use, many pieces come with adhesive backing for simple and secure placement. Arrange them anywhere your heart desires in your miniature world. These small but mighty decorations won't take up much space, yet they are guaranteed to make a significant visual impact. They add a special touch to any display. Beyond fairy gardens, these versatile miniatures can be used as charming photo props or even as therapeutic tools. Their potential is as vast as your imagination. What we like. This set offers an incredible variety with 100 pieces, all made from durable, waterproof resin. They are also designed for easy placement. If you need a large quantity of varied decorations for multiple fairy gardens or extensive DIY projects, this kit provides excellent value and longevity. What people say. The figurines are incredibly detailed, with intricate designs that are perfect for adding a unique touch to any craft project. These miniatures are made from a durable resin material, ensuring they hold up well to painting and various crafting techniques. The variety of poses and characters available in this set allows for a wide range of creative possibilities in miniature dioramas and displays. Number 3. LovesTown Christmas Miniature Figurines. Get ready to craft your dream holiday scenes. These charming miniatures are perfect for all your DIY Christmas projects, from snow globes to fairy gardens. Discover a delightful collection of 38 festive pieces. You'll find everything you need, including Santa, snowmen, trees, and more, to bring your holiday visions to life. These tiny treasures range from just 0.4 to 2.2 inches, making them ideal for intricate details in your miniature displays and crafts. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly resin, these figurines are durable, waterproof, and beautifully finished. Each piece is carefully inspected to ensure perfection. Add a magical touch to your miniature gardens, desktop displays, dollhouses, or holiday wreaths. They also make wonderful gifts and party favors. With 38 unique pieces, including festive characters and accessories, you have all the supplies you need to create personalized holiday decorations and memorable scenes. What we like. This pack contains 38 festive Christmas-themed miniatures in a perfect size range, all made from premium, eco-friendly resin. If you're planning a holiday-specific fairy garden, snow globe, or winter-themed display, these are ideal for adding that special festive touch. What people say. Each piece is darling and whimsical and adds so much to our existing fairy garden. Each piece is well made and very durable. So many pieces, definitely great quality. Number 2. 24 PCS Mini Frosted Pine Trees. Introducing our charming set of 24 mini pine trees. These frosted beauties are perfect for adding a touch of winter magic to any space. Each tree features a realistic wood base, providing a stable and natural look. They are designed to stand beautifully on any tabletop. These versatile bottle brush trees are ideal for a variety of decorative purposes. Use them for crafting, creating festive displays, or simply as charming accents. Achieve a delightful winter wonderland effect with these snow-dusted ornaments. They bring the serene beauty of a snowy landscape right into your home. Unleash your creativity with these easy-to-use trees. They are perfect for DIY projects, model villages, or as standalone decorative pieces. Get a great value with this pack of 24 mini trees. You'll have plenty to decorate multiple areas or for larger crafting endeavors. What we like. This product comes in a pack of 24 frosted sisal pine trees, each with a stable wood base. If you're looking to create a winter wonderland scene or add a consistent forest element to your crafts, these trees are perfect for tabletop displays and crafting. What people say. I like the wooden base, made it very easy to glue onto my project. The trees are a great dark green with a nice dusting of snow, not too much and not too little. The tread are about 1 inch in height. Sturdy and realistic, perfect for any small streeting modeling project or arts and craft project. Number 1. CCINEE Christmas Miniature Figurines Ornament Kit. Bring the magic of Christmas to life with this charming miniature ornament kit. It's perfect for adding a festive touch to your holiday decorations. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic resin, these decorations are built to last. They are sturdy and waterproof, ensuring they can withstand your creative displays. This value pack includes 38 delightful mini craft accessories. You'll receive 18 Christmas resin figures and 20 assorted snowflakes to inspire your imagination. Each miniature is designed with classic Christmas elements. You'll find Santa Claus, reindeer, trees, snowmen, and more, all ready to be part of your festive scene. These adorable ornaments are ideal for decorating your imaginative mini gardens. They are perfect for creating a magical Christmas fairy garden. These miniatures are wonderfully versatile. They are suitable for dollhouses, snow globes, gingerbread houses, Christmas villages, and many other DIY craft projects. What we like. This is a value pack of 38 Christmas-themed miniatures made from sturdy, waterproof resin. If you want a comprehensive kit filled with various Christmas elements for your fairy garden, dollhouse, or other DIY holiday projects, this set offers a great selection. What people say. They work great because of their small size. These are very cute and tiny, perfect for the snow globe kits we bought. Perfect for my trinket shelf. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.